Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2010 Zero electric motorcycle. This is the S model Supermoto. Got a top speed of about 67 miles per hour, range up to 50 miles, all electric. Just plug it in, charge up the battery and go. Great for local commuting. Cruising around the bay, super quiet, really fun, nice handling bike. If you've been thinking about getting something to cruise around that's green, you found it right here. Come by, check it out, only $39.95. We have financing available for this 2010 Zero S. There it goes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.